I've got two amazing Gamma connectors right here. They're DAS connectors. They're deployed in all over the United States in multiple different types of systems, cellular DAS systems and public safety. They got great frequency range from your VHF all the way up to your C-band, no problem. So what's really cool about these connectors, which I'm showing to you right now, is you've got your N and your 4310. You can tell there's a big difference between the two. All right, I'm a big fan of the 4.3-10. However, ends are deployed consistently on public safety DAS builds. These connectors are very compact. They're very small. That's a big bonus when you're installing these connectors. When you're trying to get into a small junction box that's only 12 inches or even smaller, you need all the room you can get. So you're running these to 1/2-inch annular cable or 1/2-inch plenum cable, and when you got to make that bend and that turn, every inch on the back shell of the connector makes an impact when you're trying to install. Each one of these connectors can be installed and easily be in about 2 minutes or less, no problem. And that goes from cutting and trimming the cable to trimming off the dielectric, and then they pop on very easy. What's also really cool about these connectors is that you can take them off and reuse them. So believe it or not, there's multiple instances where you've installed it to the wrong length on the cable. You've got to recut and trim that cable. How do you deal with that issue? You deal with that issue by buying Gamma connectors and using those connectors so you can reinstall the same connector. That's a big deal. So again, check out our Gamma low PIM, low loss connectors. They perform amazing in cellular deployments. They perform amazing in public safety DAS deployments as well. Come check them out.